This is Power Play, an IPL show powered by Rage.Fan. Rage.Fan is a platform for fantasy sports and non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs. Uncapped Indian batsmen have not set the IPL on fire. One of the glaring failures of the season has been Ruturaj Gaikwad. CSK fans who wanted chances for the batsman last season might want him dropped now. In 3 matches, Ruturaj has managed just 20 runs off 37 balls. Dhoni does have the habit of giving a long rope to a struggling player, but his patience might wear thin if Ruturaj does not come good immediately. As the team needs momentum in power play, CSK cannot afford lack of runs at the top. This evening, Delhi Capitals will face a team from India's financial capital, Mumbai Indians. Mumbai have won 2 out of the 3 matches despite playing well below their best. It could well have been 3 losses from 3 matches had it not been for their extraordinary bowling and fielding. Their batting is still sluggish and it is time it clicked into top gear. Delhi, on the other hand, appear rock solid. Given the early form of Delhi and Royal Challengers Bengaluru, one is tempted to say that this season will see the emergence of new champions. Today's quiz question: how many times have RCB posted a total of 200 and above in the history of IPL? Please write your answer in the comment section of the YouTube video.